Welcome guys to my next tutorial. This is Ankur and you are watching PHP Basics at CodeHub. In last tutorial I talked about the if-else statements in PHP. In this video we will talk about the PHP switch statements. So what is switch statement? Simply switch statement does the work, that is select one of many blocks of code to be executed. That means we will give the choices to the switch statement and it will choose the correct choice and execute the code that is given to that choice. So I will like to explain this practically. So let's take it as variable $a is equal to 1. Okay. And if we switch this variable $a and we have to give cases, that means we can give it as 1 and we can give $name is equal to it's 1 and we have to put the break. Now if we give case 2, then $name will be it's 2 and then we have to put the break, or in case of default I can give $name is equal to nothing and we can just simply close this event, and at end we have to print the result. So in this case what the switch statement does, whatever variable we are passing, it just compares its value with the case value. So it will check if $a is equal to 1, yes, then it will start execution from this line, or if it is not, then it will go to the second case, similarly third, and if it does not matches to any case, then it will print the default value. So we can check this out, it is printing it's 1. So if we change the value as 2, then it should be printed as it's 2. If we change it as 10, so it's not in this both cases, so what we get, it will print it as nothing. Now as there can be n number of cases, we can put any number of cases in switch case. Now the simple example can be the printing the name of the weekday, that if user enters 1, we have to print Sunday. If user enters 2, we have to print Monday. If user enters 3, we have to print Tuesday. So if it is 1, 2, 3, we have to case 1 name is equal to Monday, case 2 name is equal to Tuesday, case 3 name is equal to Wednesday, whatever it is, and default, no, I think wrong, default will be wrong number. So this is the easiest way to use the switch case. Now in next video we will talk about the while loops used in PHP statements. Now this while and for loop are very important if we consider it as the core programming language, core programming basis. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this, like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. See you in next tutorial.